Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Throw. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple combat system using the gameplay ability system. I'm going to be making 3 combo attacks that go in order, and then in future tutorials we will be going over how to add more to this. So this is very beginner friendly. If you're new to GAS or Unreal Engine, I suggest starting with this one. And let's go ahead and get started. And of course this will be available for all Patreons. And the Patreon version does not come with any Cinti graphics. You will have to get those via cintistore.com. You can use my affiliate link in the description below if you wish to support my channel. And let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I want to do is head over to plugins and make sure that gameplay abilities is checked like so. And then it'll prompt you to restart. Go ahead and restart. And then head over to your third person folder. I have a lot of extra things just because this is kind of my dummy project. Head over to your BP third person character and click add component and look for ability system like so. And now I'm going to go back to my content browser and then I'm going to make an ability folder that I have here. And I'm just going to right click, go to blueprint class and look for something called a gameplay ability. And I'm going to select gameplay ability and I'll just call this GA for gameplay ability underscore combo 01. And before we actually get started, I do need some fighting animations. So as you see on my BP third person character, I just attached a static mesh of a sword simply to my hand underscore R socket. And you can just do that just simply by adding a static mesh, which is a child of your skeletal mesh. So I'm just going to head over to mixamo.com because there are quite a few free animations. And I'm going to look for some sort of a sword animation pack. So I'm just going to select this pack of 51 animations and select download. And I'll download this at 60 FPS. And I'll hit download and extract the zip. Once that's done, I extract this and you'll see I have the skeleton, which is called Akai E. And then the rest are just animations. I'll just import everything in this case. And I'll just create a new folder called sword anims like so. And then the first thing I'm going to import is the skeleton. Just make sure that skeleton goes in first so the animations know where to get its animation data from. And then I will just extract every single FBX and it'll automatically select that skeleton and I'll click import all. And now that all the animations are imported, I'm just going to select all my animation sequence, right click and select retarget animations. And I'm going to select my Quinn underscore simple. And now under this tab, I'm just going to select every single animation like so. You can also double click if you want to preview any of these to see how they'll look. So I'll select all of them, all 51, and export the animation. And I'm actually just going to go to my sword anims folder and right click and create a new folder and just call this updated anims. And then I'll add a prefix of something like up underscore and click export and I'll hit export again. And now it's going to create a new folder here, which is called updated animations. And I'll be able to see it right here. And I'll look for, I'll just search for slash, look for any slash anims. So this can be, for example, our light attack 1 or our combo 01. And this one can be our second one, which just has the sword going the other way. And this can be our third one. So what I'm going to do is just turn these into animation montages. So while I see this in the browser, I don't want to just look through all of these to find it. I'm going to hold control and click B like boy on the keyboard while I'm selected in here to automatically take me to where this is. So it takes me right here and this is exactly where this is. And I'm going to right click, select or hover over create and select create anim montage. And I'll just call this am underscore combo 1 like so. And then I'm going to go back to my asset browser and then look for that second attack. So not this one, it's actually this one. And I'll hit Control B again. And then same thing, right click create. We're going to create an anim montage and this is going to be called am underscore combo 2. And then I'm going to look for that third attack over here like this. And I'll hit Control B, right click create anim montage. And this will be am underscore combo 3. And I just want 3 combos in this. You can really have however many you want. So you can really have as many combos as you'd like in a row. And let's go ahead and get started. So when I go back to my content browser and go to that ability folder and go to GA underscore combo 1, you're going to see that our gameplay ability has an event activate ability. And essentially when we start this ability, all I want to do is drag it and look for a commit ability. And from commit ability, we are going to play a montage and wait like so. And instead of selecting a montage here, I'm just going to right click and promote this to a variable. And I'll just leave the name as montage to play. And now you'll see that in my class defaults, after I hit compile, it's going to pop up right here. And I can go ahead and just select that combo 01 montage that we created. I can go ahead and select that am underscore combo 01. And you're going to see that we have ability tags, block abilities with tag, activation own tags, activation required tags, and so on. Just a bunch of tags that we can set. So for the ability tag, I want this to be something kind of simple. And also I want this to be nested in tags. And I'll show you why in our BP third person character in a bit. So I'm going to hit this plus sign. And personally, I'm just going to call this something like player.attack.1 and select the default gameplay tags.ini and click add new tag like so. And I'll also make one for 2 and 3 in this case. And you can have these be multiple ability tags, but just make sure that you just have it to be player.attack.1 like so. So basically this ability tag just means that this is what this combo 1 will always reference. It'll always reference this player.attack.1 tag. So we can call it from our BP third person character and tell it, hey, let's try to use this ability that has this tag called player.attack.1. Next, I'm going to go to the block abilities with tag. And basically, while this tag is active, it's going to block any abilities with this tag. And I'm going to set it to the same thing called player.attack.1, like so. And the reason why I'm doing this is because if you keep spamming your attack button, it's just going to keep playing this from the start. But if I block it after it's already activated, then you can only play it once. And that's what we want. We want to make sure that our character is able to attack almost the whole way through before starting another animation, or else it's just going to look like it's bugging if you keep trying to left click. The activation own tag just means that this is the tag that the player currently owns while using this ability. And activation required tag just means that we need to set it so that there is a tag that it needs to have in order to actually use this ability. We don't need to set anything for activation required. And for the activation block tag, this just means that this ability will be blocked if the activating actor has any of these tags. So we're going to block the player.attack.1 again, like so. And this is pretty much all we need for our tags. And now let's proceed with our blueprint. So from our play montage and wait, I'm actually just going to wait for a gameplay event. And I'm actually going to add another one of these. Wait gameplay event. So basically, the reason why I have 2 of these is because I want a window open event tag and a window close. And basically, I don't want my character to immediately be able to go to attack 2 from somewhere between here to here. I actually want him to proceed to attack 2 anywhere from here to around here to here, maybe here to all the way to the end, possibly. We'll kind of play around with that. But the reason why is because if the player misses the window of opportunity to proceed to the next attack, I still want it to play a fluid animation that kind of just ends right here. And in order to achieve this, we're going to need to create an event tag that's going to be passed through an anim notify from our animation montage. So let's go ahead and create that animation notify. So I'll go back to my content browser and I'll right click and create a new folder and I'll just call this notifies like so. And now in my notifies folder, I'm going to right click and select a blueprint class and look for anim notify. And with anim notify selected, I'll just call this an underscore combo window. And now I'll double click to open this up, and this will be fairly simple. I'm just going to override a function to receive a notify. And I just want to receive a notify in order to pass a tag data that will be used in our montage in order to pass to our attack. So from mesh comp, I am just going to drag this out and actually just get the owner like so. And then from the return value of the get owner, I'm just going to send gameplay event to actor. And basically, I'll be able to send the gameplay event to our montage, which will be passed through our waits gameplay event that we're looking for in our combo 1, combo 2, combo 3. And for the event tag, I'm just going to right click and promote this to a variable. I'll leave the name as event tag, and I want to make sure that this eyeball is open or instance editable is checked. So pretty much this eyeball is just instance editable, and I'll hit compile and save. And this will make sure we can actually edit this in our instance. So when I go back to AM combo 1, I can go ahead and just add this. I'll add this around here, maybe right at the end, just so our character can feel like they're attacking pretty fast. So under notifies, there is a track 1. It's going to right click on that track 1 and there'll be an add notify button. And I'm going to add that an underscore combo window we created. And now because we made it instance editable, I'll be able to set the event tag to something like to whatever we create. So I'm just going to click on this plus sign and create a new tag for the source of our default gameplay tags.ini. And the name of this will be event.combo window open. And I'll hit add new tag, and I'm just going to select that for this part. So our combo window is open and we can actually proceed with the next attack. And I think around here, if we don't attack by then I'm just going to add another notify, and I'll create another gameplay tag. And the name will be event.combo window end, like so. And I'll just select that end. So when I have this one, you'll see that it says combo window open. And when I select the end one, combo window end. So basically, if the player doesn't click by this point where this diamond is, then I'll just play the ending animation of it. So I'll have from here to actually select to go to combo 2. So let's head back to our combo 1, and I'm going to set this event tag to combo window open. And I'll select the second one, combo window end. And essentially, when we receive this event, what it's going to do is print a string. So let's print a string, and I'll just select attack window or combo 1 window open. And then on event received for this one, I'll do something like combo 1 window closed. And it might be pretty quick, but we can actually go ahead and just test this out. So I'll head back to my BP third person character and go to the event graph. And at the end of my begin play, you'll probably have to add it right after your add mapping context, but I will add it to the very end of mine. I'm just going to drag out the end and look for a give ability, and then in parentheses ability combat ability system component. And I'm going to give myself the GA combo 1 ability class. And I'm just going to have a debug key of the left mouse button because I'm just used to using MMOs or RPGs to attack with the left mouse button. And when pressed, I'm going to try to activate ability by tag. In the gameplay tag container, instead of adding one at a time, combo 1, combo 2, combo 3, I can just right click this gameplay tag container, promote this to a variable like so. So I'll just call this attack tags. And now when I compile, I'll be able to edit the default value. And because we have our player.attack.1.2.3, I can just select player attack so that it will just add all of them as an array. So now I'll be able to use combo 1, 2, and 3 if I just select player.attack, as long as combo 1, 2, and 3 are childs of this attack tag. So now when I go ahead and click my debug key, it'll say combo open and then combo close in a short period of time. And I can't really play it again because my ability actually didn't end. So in order to fix that, I'll just head back to my GA underscore combo 1. And at the end of my event combo end, I'm just going to call that end ability like so. And I'll also call it if we actually complete our entire animation. After event on ability end, I'm just going to print a string that says combo 1 ended. I also want to set my animations to root motion. So what I'm going to do is head back to my updated anims folder and then select all my animations. I'm going to right click and under asset actions, I'm going to select edit selection in property matrix, hit Control A to select all. And then under search, I'm going to select root and make sure that enable root motion is checked. And then I'll hit Control S to save. And now I can exit out of that. And when I actually try to use my attack, my character's movement is now driven by the animation itself. So I can't actually move around and slide while doing this. And now let's proceed with combo 1 and try to get into combo 2. So I want to add this combo window tag onto my character. And it's not going to be the same event.combo window tag. I'm going to make a new one called player.combo window just to tell our combo 2 saying like, hey, while this tag is added, we can play combo 2. So simply after my print string where it says combo 1 is open, I need to actually space this out quite a bit. Just make some room. It's getting a little cluttered in here. And after this print string, I'm just going to simply add a loose gameplay tag. And the actor will actually just be our get avatar actor info. So pretty much whoever is using this ability. In the gameplay tag, I'm going to right click and just promote this to a variable. And I'll call this combo window open tag like so. And then when I hit compile, I'm going to create a new name. I'm going to create a new tag, and this will be player.combo window. And the source will be the default gameplay tags.ini. And I'll just select that and I'll hit compile. And then for our combo window end and before our end ability, I'm just going to remove loose gameplay tags. And then the actor will again be that get avatar actor from info. And the gameplay tag will be the same combo window open like so. And this is because the way we're setting it up is our combo window open will always happen and it will always add this tag. And basically we just want to remove it from our character to clean up any tags. So back to my demo level, when I go ahead and hit play, I'm going to hit the tilde key, which is on the left of my one, and you'll see this console pop up at the bottom here. And I'm just going to type in show debug ability system and hit enter. And now you'll see my stats displayed on the left. It's pretty small font, so yeah. And then we'll see this box around my character. And now when I left click, we're going to be able to see that our tag has actually been added to our character. So next to the owned tag up here, you'll see that it says player.combo window during the opportunity where we can proceed to our second attack. And it is a little hard to see because the text is small. And then our own tag is our player.attack.1, which is exactly how we set it to be. And the reason why we made that player.combo window is because we only want to proceed to attack 2 during while that combo window is active and not player attack 1. Or else I can just go straight to my third combo without having to play any animations for player attack 1 and 2. And now let's go ahead and just work on combo 2. So now I'm just going to hit Control B to go to where it is in the folder. And I'm just going to duplicate this and click enter because it will automatically rename that O1 to O2. I'll double click to open this up. And now all I need to do for this is actually I'm going to change where everything it says player.attack.1 to player.attack.2. Make sure you remove that attack.1 because it can hold multiple tags in one. And now in order for us to actually use this combo, we want to set activation required tag to a combo window, to the player.combo window. So basically that player combo window we were just seeing in our debugger, it needs to have that in order to proceed to our combo 2. I'm going to change this AM combo 1 to AM combo 2 like so and hit compile. And in our combo 2, we actually haven't set our event combo window open and close to go to combo 3. So with AM combo 2 selected, I'm going to double click to open this up and add those animation modifiers. So I'll add it right after the attack. So under track, I will right click, add notify, and it'll be that AN combo window. And I will add another one at the end here. And I'll add another one at the end here like so. And then I'll left click and set those tags appropriately. So this one will be event.combo window open. And this one will be event.combo window end like so. And I'll go ahead and hit Control Save and go back to my combo 2. And now for the event on ability, I'm just going to change this combo 1 to combo 2 ended. And I will change the print strings to combo 2 accordingly, like so. And now I'm actually going to change these combo window tags. So I know it's called combo window open tag. I probably should have named it something like just combo window tag, like so. And from player.combo window open, I want to create a player.combo window 2. So I'll hit this plus button and I'll just add a 2 at the very end. Make sure default gameplay tags is selected and click add new tag. And I'll just select that one and get rid of the combo window, player.combo window, so that it's only going to be our player.combo window 2. And this is what our combo 3 will look for. And now after I play this combination, so if I go from 1 to 3, I don't want any hanging tags. So right before our add loose gameplay tag, I want to right click and remove loose gameplay tags like so and just connect the pins. And I'm going to select that get avatar actor from info, connect this to the actor. And the one that I'm going to get rid of now is actually just that player.combo window. Because we're manually adding this tag, we will also need to manually remove this player.combo window. And I don't want it lingering or else we won't actually start from our attack 1 the next time we go through all these combo tags. So I'll right click this gameplay tag, promote this to a variable and call this combo window tag. Oh, I actually have that one. And I'll just call this combo 1 tag. And then I will hit compile and we're going to remove that player.combo window like so. So because we will always hit our event.combo window open, we will always receive this event to remove this tag no matter what. And if we end on our attack, and if we end on combo 2, it will then remove the combo window 2 as well, so that we can restart from our combo 1. So now I want to go back to my BP third person character, and I just want to give that ability at the end of my begin play over here. And let's actually try this out. So for the ability class, I'm going to select that GA underscore combo 2. And for our debug key, I can just leave it as attack tags because it's using everything under our player.attack. and that includes our player.attack.1 and player.attack.2. So I'll hit compile and save and actually try this out. So now if I left click, it'll end that combo like so. And if I left click twice, it'll play both and then it will end. And my character will go back to its stance. And then I can play it again. And yeah, that looks pretty good to me. So I'll use that show gameplay debug system. And now you can see under the own tag of how many tags that's kind of adding up onto my character and then properly removing it after it's ended. And if you're using Cinti characters, your pelvis also may be rotating like so, and that is completely normal for Cinti characters. And I believe if you're using the Quinn sample, it may kind of tilt you up just because the Akai skeleton that we retargeted from is quite different from your normal skeletons. But yeah, this looks really good to me. And now we just need to create a combo 3 and we're good. And you can play the first one and end it like so. You can play the first 2 attacks and then end it and restart. And that's kind of what we're looking for. So let's go ahead and create our third combo. So now I'll hit Control B on GA combo 2, and then I'll hit Control D to duplicate it for GA combo 3. And the first thing I'm going to do is head over to my montage to play and set this to combo 3. Double click to open this up, and let's just add our event. And the only event I actually need for this one is going to be our event.combo window end. So I'll do that at the close to the end, maybe around here. And I'll just add a notify, which is going to be one AN combo window or animation notify. And I will select that combo window end, and that's all we need because that is the end of our combo and we're always going to want to restart it. And now in our GA combo 3, I'm going to make a few changes here. So I'm going to change all of these player.attack.2 to player.attack.3. So basically just add everything by 1. So that includes our player.combo window. So now I'm just going to look for the combo window 2 instead and change this to player.attack.3 like so. And now I can actually get rid of the combo window open gameplay event and remove everything that was under it like so. And then I'll drag this back and connect this to the play montage and wait. And for the remove loose gameplay tags, I'm actually going to select both combo window 2 and the first combo window just in case. And then I'll end ability and I'll change the string to combo window 3 window closed. And then event on ability end, I'm just going to play that combo window or combo 3 ended like so. So it might be a lot of print strings, but we can clean this up right after we make sure that this is working. So I'll hit Control Save and compile. And this does look kind of short, but this is actually all we need. So let's go back to the demo. Actually, we need to add this to our character first. So let's go ahead and add this to our character at the end and then select that combo 3. And that's pretty much all we need. And I'll hit compile, go back to the demo, and now let's try this out. So when I left click once, twice, and a third time, I play all 3 animations like so. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, bam. All 3 animations have completed playing. And it kind of cuts off on my final animation. And if you want to play the whole thing, you can just play the end ability on completed as opposed to the waiting for the gameplay event on combo 3. So I'm going to get rid of the end ability over here and only leave it after the completed like so. Because as soon as it calls this event, it just removes the tags and ends the ability immediately. So now when I go ahead and test this out, I'll attack 1, 2, 3, bam. And it plays the whole thing and it ends right there. And yeah, that's pretty much how you create a simple attack system using the gameplay ability system. And yeah, thanks for watching Code of the Row. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you want to get some Cinti assets, feel free to check out my affiliate in the description below. If you want to support me via Patreon or join my community on YouTube, feel free to hit the join button or check the description below. And yeah, thanks for watching.